Hello, Ms. Nito. I got your question about, I believe it was problems 4 and 5. So I pulled up an example of the quiz here, and I'm going to go over problems 4 and 5 from the quiz. The numbers are slightly different, but it's basically the same type of problem. So let's go through this. It says a store has a sale with 40% off every item. When you enter the store, you receive a coupon that states that you receive an additional 10% off. Is this equal to a 50% discount? Explain your answer. Okay, so basically what we could do is this here. We're going to have to do some imagination with the numbers. So let's imagine that we had the item cost $100. Okay, now it says it's 40% off of that. So that means we only pay 60%. So that means that it would end up costing $60. Now they tell us to take an additional 10% off. So we have $60, 10% off would leave us 90%. So it'd be $60 times 90%, which is $54. So with 40% off and an additional 10% off, the final amount you would pay is $54. Okay, now they ask us, is this equal to a 50% discount? So let's take our $100, and we know a 50% discount means that you will only pay 50% of the item. 100 times 50% would just leave you $50. So basically, this is $4. This is $4 less with it being 50% off. So the total percent of reduction is blank percent. So this equals to a 50% discount. So first of all, we know this does not equal to, that is not equal to a 50% discount. So what we could do, we could figure out what this discount actually is. So basically, $100 was the original price. So this is the old value. The new value would be $54 because we're comparing this. So what we would do is we would put percent of decrease. I'm going to abbreviate this. So we have the new, which is 54, minus the old divided by the old. 54 minus 100 is a negative 46 all over 100. Now, when you put this in your calculator, let me pull up a calculator here. I may have to pull up Desmos. So let's see if I could pull up Desmos calculator real quick. Okay, I think I have that. All right, so let me put this in Desmos. So in Desmos, we would have a negative 46 divided by 100. So we know it's a negative 0.46. So your percent decrease is a negative 0.46, which written as a percent is a negative 46%. Now remember I told you all before in class that you would not write your final answer as a negative, you would just write it as a positive, because if you look here, it says the total percent of reduction is, so you would just write the 46%. So you would type in 46, and we know this is not equal to 50% discount, so we'll do check answer and we're done.